Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very simple math problem from number system in which we have to convert 0.3 bar 35 to p by q form where p and q are natural numbers. So let x equals to 0.3 bar 35. Name this equation 1 and multiply this equation 1 by 100. We get 100x equals to 33.5 bar 35. Name this equation 2 and now subtract equation 1 from 2. We get 100x minus x equal to 33.5 bar 35 minus 0.3 bar 35. So on solving this we get 99x equals to 33.2. So on further solving this we get x equals to 33.2 over 99, and when we remove decimal part we have to multiply the denominator by 10, so this will become 32 by 990. So 0.3 bar 35 can be written in the form of p by q as 332 over 990. That is option number D. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.